Hi guys, I hope you guys doing well and staying safe at home. I know I look all glammed up, ready to go out, but let me tell you guys, I'll be staying in all day long, filming and editing a video, doing some housework, reorganizing my wardrobe. That's what I've been doing pretty much every day for about 10 days now. And yeah, I wanted to come here, sit down and film a get ready with me video because I was expecting a delivery. It just arrived and I'm very excited. I did my makeup this morning and I filmed this look for you. If you're interested and want to see how I did this look, keep watching, I'll show you. That's what I did this morning while I was waiting for my very special vitamin C delivery. Finally arrived. I'm so happy. So I'll start by talking about it, doing a little unboxing. I wanted to tell you a funny story. Like, this is so ridiculous, but listen to this, guys. So I went to the Hermes boutique 2.5 weeks ago, I believe it was. This was all before the COVID-19, by the way, so don't worry. And they just launched the new lipsticks, so I wanted to go and check them out. However, when I got to the store, almost all the lipsticks were sold out. There were only a few shades available and I couldn't get my hands on the shades that I wanted. There was one shade in particular that I really wanted to get, which is this one. And this is the number 11 in the matte beige naturel. So this was the one that I wanted and I wanna unbox it with you and show you. So the funny story, I went to the store, everything was sold out. They gave me, so I ended up buying something else, but I'm not gonna talk about it now. And they gave me this. So these are the little samples that they give. They gave me 2 of these and I already used up one, so I'll tell you how I feel about the lipsticks and if they're worth buying in a bit. But let me unbox this and tell you the rest of the story. So this is how it comes in this box. Very luxurious. It comes in a little cover and voila, we have the beautiful Hermes lipstick. I'll show you some clips up close so you can see it better, but this is the beautiful little baby that I picked up. Oh my god, it is so perfect. I don't want to use it. Anyway, so let me tell you the funny story quickly before I try this on. So they didn't have any stock left. It was already sold out online and they told me they normally receive stock almost every single day. However, they receive some of the brighter shades and they were like, this is very popular color, we're not sure when we'll receive it. It might be months until we get it again, so we would have to put you on the waiting list. And I was like, excuse me, what? You have a freaking waiting list for lipstick. We all know how difficult it is to get one of their Birkins or Kellys or Constance. They normally would put you on a waiting list. I have been, by the way, on a waiting list for 1.5 years now. Still nada. Anyway, so now they have waiting list for a lipstick. Yeah, that's crazy. But let me try this on and show you how it looks, and then I'll show you how I did this makeup. So I have some lip gloss, so I'm gonna remove that first. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, it is so nice. Okay guys, this is the lipstick. It was definitely worth the wait. I waited about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So the finish is matte, but it's not at the same time. To me, it's more powdery. It feels very powdery on the lips as well, but it's so comfortable. It's very lightweight, very comfortable on the lips. There is a reason why I always use the Tom Ford lipsticks. I always use Tom Ford, you know how much I love them. They're the only lipsticks that don't really dry out my lips. However, these are even better, guys. These are so lightweight and creamy and beautiful, and it feels like you're not wearing anything on your lips. They don't dry out my lips as well, so these have to be the only 2 lipsticks that do not irritate my lips. I have very sensitive lips, and all other lipsticks Even Chanel and Dior, they draw out my lips. These retail for £58 and there are some limited, I think there are 3 or 4 shades that are limited edition and they retail for more. I'll leave the price here. I think £62 or £64, I can't remember now. This will be my new best friend. I did hear that they'll extend the line and do some more makeup products, so I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to try them. I'm sure they'll be amazing as well. Okay, so this was my mini review of the Hermes lipsticks. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, keep watching. I filmed it earlier this morning. I hope you enjoyed. I'm showing you some new products that I love, so I hope you enjoyed, guys. Okay, so I'm starting by prepping my face. I use this every morning. I received this as a PR gift. I collaborated with Shiseido and this is their Essential Energy Day Emulsion with SPF 20, and I always apply this in the morning before I apply my makeup. You don't have to apply makeup after it, you can just apply it in the morning when you wake up. This is a consistency, can you guys see? It is really nice and it makes my skin very smooth and preps it before I apply the rest of the makeup. Okay, after that I'll apply my foundation. I'll use this but I'll mix it. So these are the 2 foundations that I'll use because I don't have the right shade. Oh my god, this is so much. I normally mix them on my hand. I put way too much of this one. Okay, that's a lot of foundation. I didn't need that much. But I decided to mix these because I'm quite light. I don't have much fake tan left. Okay, so I apply the foundation with my fingers and then I'll just blend it with a brush and just blend. Then I'll use the Little Pot, my favorite NARS concealer. I've been using this for so many years. As soon as I apply it, it just lifts my under eye. I dip straight into the bottle with powder and tap. And this brush, by the way, that I'm using is my favorite brush from Chanel. I've spoken about this one in my previous videos. It is this beautiful Chanel brush, powder brush. So then I will use my broken Chanel powder. This is another hero product of mine. I love this powder so much. It is a powder foundation, so I use it on top of the translucent. Okay, moving on, but first coffee. Okay, next I'll do contouring and bronzing up my face. I don't really do contouring much anymore. I apply some to my neck as well. I don't know, guys, do you still contour? I kind of stopped contouring, I don't know, 6-7 months ago. I just can't be bothered to apply all the contour sticks, draw these lines on my face. Maybe I'll do it if I'm going out in the evening or for very special occasions, but for every day I don't do it anymore. Let me know down in the comments, do you still contour, like proper contour? I feel like a bronzed goddess now. Okay, for blush I'll actually use 2 products. Sorry about that, guys. I'll use one of these Bobbi Brown shimmer bricks. I love these. They're like a blush mixed with highlighter and they give you such a beautiful glow. So I'll use that one first and apply it higher up here. This is the color that I have. It is so beautiful. And then on top of that I'll use one of my favorite blushes, this beautiful blush by Tom Ford. So I use the same brush and just dip it in here. It is a cream blush, but I still use a normal fluffy brush to apply it. I think the application with a brush is nicer. Mainly apply this one on the apples of my cheeks, and this one also has these golden specks, so it's like really beautiful and glowy. Okay, so for highlighter I will use one of my favorite highlighters by Givenchy. Can you guys see it? Is it showing? Oh my god, it is so beautiful, like liquid gold on your cheekbones. Yes. Okay, done with the base and the face. So next is eyebrows. I'm gonna do them quickly off camera in 3, 2, 1. Okay, eyebrows done. Okay, so I'll show you how I do my very easy signature glittery eye look that so many of you love and want to see. So I'll use my favorite Huda Beauty palette. I'm sure many of you have this one, that's why I decided to go with this one and show you how you can do your eye look using this palette. So I'm gonna use Sandalwood first. And then I'll dip into Shy. Ooh. By the way, I'm using this beautiful fluffy Gucci brush. Then I'll use Bossy, which is this shade here. And just apply that on the bottom lash line. Alright, so guys, this is it. This is the little Stila eyeshadow product that I use to do my glittery makeup that so many of you love. So it is in a liquidy form and it has this brush, so it's like it looks like a lip gloss, doesn't it? So this is what I do, okay? I will apply a little bit on my lid and then tap it with my finger, and this way it looks really nice for every day. So just keep building it up until I'm happy, because otherwise you can just paint it like this on top of your lid, but it doesn't look as nice. So I'll apply a little bit in my inner corner as well. Okay, so this is it. I'll do the other eye now. Just do the same. Apply a little bit. Blend it in with your finger. Okay, so I'll apply my Chanel mascara next. Le Volume de Chanel mascara. And I'll apply some fake lashes and I'll be back. So this, guys, is my new storage for lashes. How pretty. I'll link this one down below if you're interested. I wanted to show you it because it's super cute. Okay, so this is the look. This is the final look. I'll just apply some lip pencil and leave my lip balm on because I'm expecting some vitamin C delivery today. So this is pretty much what I use on a daily